can't keep his mouth shut and talks and talks and talks. Not only to O'Neill Face, he talked to everybody over there. Anyone who would listen about what a tough guy he is and what a badass gangster he was, he would tell. You will hear from O'Neill Face. Anyway, you're going to be placed in a situation where you're going to hear about this brotherhood and make some decisions in this case as to whether the state's proven the case beyond a reasonable doubt. You're going to hear a lot about guns in this case and how they were sometimes handed out by Johnny or Benson to various terrorist members in training who needed a gun. But you're also going to hear that the primary shooters in this case, the Johnny Charles, the Benson Cadet, the Max Daniel, and the Franzi Jean Marie, but mostly these three, they had their favorite guns. They're not moving guns around. They're not letting anyone use theirs. Johnny had a chrome 45 Ruger that he used a lot. The defendant had his favorite 9 and a 40, and Max loved his Smith & Wesson 9mm chrome that he used on all these people. Ladies and gentlemen, when you get done hearing all the evidence in this case, you will have more than sufficient evidence to go back, take a look at what the law is in the state of Florida, listen and evaluate the evidence that you've heard during the last several weeks, put it together, and come to a rightful decision that this defendant, Benson Cadet, is guilty as charged. Thank you for your time.